first thoughts when you hear the word startup weekend?
Startup weekend.
Startup weekend.
Okay, यार रुको सोचने पड़ रहा है मुझे थोड़ा चमक नहीं रहा.
A startup where you have to work only on weekend.
Heard about startup weekend?
Like could be a competition where
People came with their ideas.
infinite work and lots of fun.
People meet up and discuss ideas about a new startup.
You get lots of people who are all enthused about startup.
Less food and lot of crap, pizza and all.
Fun activity where you get training how to launch a startup.
Crazy eyes and always working.
Do you think you can pitch an idea in less than, say, a minute?
I think it's possible to pitch an idea in 60 seconds. Like,
You get such ideas every weekend.
I don't think so. It would take some time.
no idea is weird. I think the innovation has no limit.
I can't think of it.
I think it'll be easier to pitch a non-concrete idea in 60 seconds than pitching a concrete idea in 60 seconds because you'll be more spontaneous.
So hi guys, I'm winner of Startup Weekend Ahmedabad. I'm 19 years old and there were people like 25, 30.
I have been participant 2 times actually. To start up, what do you need? You need motivation, you need idea, you need money, you need incubation. In Startup Weekend, you get all of these.
We have lots of ideas in our mind. But there you will meet lots of mentors, entrepreneurs, fellows, and we have designers, we have marketing people, we have best developers all together. How you can transform your idea, your prototype into a startup. It will be really awesome experience, and I can recommend you to please attend it. It will be worth it.
And it's a must-go place for everyone who wants to start up now or in future.
Do you think this 3-day event is worth it?
Getting an idea, just sitting in a room and actually implementing it, going out there is very tough, and it's not a one-person game.
So I think it's a good idea so far as it will generate enthusiasm for startup and entrepreneurship.
If you have ideas here and the brilliant minds that IT has,
In this event, if you get to meet a lot of people who are already in the loop, and if you feel like that you are the suitable fit for them, I think it's great.
Yeah, definitely. I always wanted to be a part of Startup Weekend, but I never got the opportunity to do so. It's coming to IT Bombay, I'm definitely going to be a part.
I think when you hear the word startup, as superficial as it can be at the age of, say, with 19 to 27, it can be something which can change lives around you, which can influence mindset in a way which you haven't imagined. Like if you turn the view and see that view, this is venue that we are hosting. So guys, make sure you're here on the first weekend of May just for this view and the awesome crowd, the great fun, the craziness, probably the sleepless nights, and some amazing investors having loads of money.